Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I am very new to this YouTube channel and I want support of you guys, so you like my video, share with your friends and also एक बेल आइकन होएगा सब्सक्राइब बटन के साथ, उसको भी दबा दे और मेरी अपकमिंग वीडियोस के साथ अपडेटेड रहे. So let's just start. And yes, I have polled on my Instagram that which haul I should put between the Nykaa and the Makeup House haul. So most of the person has clicked on the Nykaa haul. So I will be showing the Nykaa haul today. And if you don't know my Instagram handle, I will be tagging in just down below this video, so you can check it out. So let's just start the video. The first product of Nykaa is this Wow O apple cider vinegar face wash, as you can see. So this is very nice and I've already used it, and it gives very nice effect on your face. And then this bottle costed me rupees 3.99, and this is a 100 ml bottle. It came in a box, and then it has a very good packaging. So you can just see this has a plastic packaging, and then it get a brush. So how to do it, you just need to press this knob and the soap comes out like this, and then you just scrub it on your face. Okay, so this is my first product. My second product are these this is an Estee Lauder day cream, and this is an Estee Lauder night cream. So these both cream I got it from the Nykaa. It is very good. It comes in a mini packaging. So it has a cucumber smell in it, and you can just see the quantity, very less quantity. And then I use it after my face wash. So this brings a very nice effect on your face and it keeps you very well moisturized. And then this is an Estee Lauder day night cream. सो बेसिकली ये सिर्फ अंडर आइज़ और आइज़ के ऊपर लगाने के लिए है क्रीम, ये पूरे फेस पे क्रीम लगाने को नहीं है. और सबसे बेस्ट है कि इसको आप लगा के सो जाओ, बिकॉज ये नाइट क्रीम है, तो आपको मॉर्निंग में तो लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मॉर्निंग में सिर्फ आप ये लगा सकते हो, विच इज़ अ डे क्रीम. सो माई थर्ड प्रोडक्ट इज़ दिस इज़ एन लिप हाइड्रेंट फ्रॉम दी मैक. इट्स अ लिप कंडीशनर हाइड्रेंट, poreless lip hydrant. Basically I got it from the MAC. It has a very good packaging, so you can just see it. It has a very nice packaging and it is all white, and all the things are written at the back of it, what it contains. And this costed me for 1600, and this is very nice. Basically आपके लिप को हाइड्रेट रखने के लिए ही यूज़ करा जाता है. सो इसकी इनर पैकेजिंग ऐसी है, ये ट्यूब के फॉर्म में आता है, एंड इट इज़ एन लिप कंडीशनर हाइड्रेंट पोरलेस. एंड देन इसके ऊपर बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्लीक पैकेजिंग है, एंड ऑल द थिंग्स आर रिटन एट बिहाइंड इट. एंड इट हैज़ अ वेरी गुड नॉब, लूज नॉब नहीं है, ये बहुत टाइट नॉब है. एंड इसको खोलने के बाद इट लुक्स लाइक दिस. So it is very good applicator here, so you can easily apply on your lips. So after my wash I definitely apply this thing, because I can't afford to make my lips dry. Okay, so my fourth product is this is a Mama's Earth onion hair mask. So this comes in a box, you can all see it, and this is of 200 gram. Its net content is 200 gram, and it costed me around 600. And then it has all the direction written on this, how to use it, and tips for reducing hair fall, and for whom it is suitable for. So I will be giving a full review on this too for upcoming my videos. So and then From the inside, let's see how it looks. So from the inside, it looks like this. It looks like this. And from the name also, कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि यार अनियन मास्क है तो इसमें से स्मेल तो नहीं आएगी, ये है वो है, बट नहीं आएगी इसमें से स्मेल, बिकॉज इट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट हैज़ अ वेरी नाइस पैकेजिंग. कोई लीकेज की प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. ऊपर कवर दिया गया है आराम से. और बेसिकली ये जो है ये क्रीम के फॉर्म में है, तो कोई इसमें से वो नहीं है कि मतलब इसमें से कोई स्मेल आ सकती है, ऐसा नहीं है. और ये ऑर्गेनिक बैम्बू विनेगर से बना गया है और इसके अंदर अनियन ऑयल भी है. तो इट कम्स लाइक दिस इन अ पैकेजिंग. तो इसके ऊपर कवर था तो, and it doesn't have any onion smell, trust me guys, and we'll be giving a full review on this too. So let's just wait, because I've never used it and this is for the first time I'm using this product, and let's see what is the result and everything. But yeah, it is very good for the hair fall, because to control the hair fall and all the dandruff, and it has all the direction written on it कि कैसे यूज़ करना है, क्या क्या इसके अंदर ingredients हैं, वो सब बताया गया है इसके अंदर. So if you want to go for this thing, you can go for this thing. Moving forward to the 5th product. So this is a lipstick. So basically this lipstick I got it for the free because I've ordered a lot of things, and this is a Nykaa lipstick itself. So it's 445 ml and a dirty peach color. So and this is exactly, I don't know what rate it is, I will definitely let you know. So it's a very nice shade. It's a very mini lipsticks. So you can also, then I will be just going to give you a swatch so you can all see. So this is the color. It's a very nice color, and this Nykaa has a very good packaging. It has a magnetic cap, so there's no way of losing it. So it's a nice thing. Moving forward to the 6th product. So my 6th product is this. This is an Estee Lauder powder pear repair serum and moisturizer duo. So basically ये जो है ये eye serum है, and this is for the anti-aging. So I think I'm very obsessed with the Estee Lauder's product because they are very good, especially the night products and the creams and everything, because they have amazing smell, amazing fragrances in it. So yeah, so this comes in this packaging when you open it, and then this is again the eye serum, and this is a cream. This is a cream. It's an anti-aging cream. So exactly इसका तो मुझे कोई यूज़ नहीं लगता, तो मैं अपनी मॉम को दे दूँगी ये. And then this is an eye serum. So you can just put it at night and then off to go to sleep. So basically whenever you put this eye cream, remember, any eye cream, not this specifically, or any eye cream, remember that you have to move in a circular direction, not to be harsh on your eyes, because eyes are things which has to be very handled with very care. So you don't have to be just harsh on your eyes. Just make it in a round direction whenever you apply it. Okay. And this is my 6th product. Moving forward to the 7th product. Again, I got this for free because as I got a lot of things. So yeah, so they have given me the MAC foundation, as I am having the dusky skin, so for that only. And then they have given me the 3 shades in it, so with the 1.5 ml of the pouches. So this is a lighter, then this is a medium, and this is a darker shade. So not used yet, but yeah, definitely will be using it
So this is my 7th product, which I got it free from the Nykaa. Now moving forward to the 8th product and the last product.
Okay, so my 8th product is this. I so wanted this for very long time. This is a strobe cream from the MAC itself. So this cream is amazing. So this cream has 3 shades. So this is a pink shade, one comes in a cream shade, and one comes in a white shade, and one comes in a peach shade, I think. So you definitely can check on the Nykaa itself. So this cream is very effective. Actually, this cream has a shimmery effect. We'll just show you, so you can just see it. It has a shimmery effect on it, and when you rub it, so I don't know if you guys are able to see, you can just see it. It has a very pinky effect on it. So this cream can be used with your foundation itself. You can just mix it with the foundation to make it glow and give that shiny effect on your face. You can use it as a highlighter too, so putting on this on your highlights point, and you can just normally put as a hydrant cream too. This cream has a lot of uses in it. So this, I need to tell you one more thing. Whenever you buy this cream, there's always having this sticker. It's a sticker, you don't have to remove it because it basically tells कि आपके पास कौन सा शेड है. तो हर ऐसी बॉटल पे जो स्ट्रोब क्रीम होगी उसके ऊपर एक ऐसा स्टिकर होएगा जो आपका शेड बताता होएगा. तो not to remove it, I think, because it's helpful. So it's a very nice cream, and it's a 50 ml cream, so it is a very nice cream. One should have this cream, it's amazing. And guys, if you wanted to see this look, as you can just see that I've made these. This is not my hairband, first of all. So these are my braids. I made the braids and I then made a hairband look. So if you want this look, I can show you guys. Let me know in the comment section that if you want this look, I should recreate this look. I will definitely do it for you guys. Thank you so much once again. Bye bye, take care.